Welcome, everybody. My name is Wendell Bedell, host of today's episode number 8, Lead Generation, using replacement on-site opportunity assessment forms. Again, just to recap, our last several episodes, lead generation is the process used for making customers aware of your solutions to their problems and issues. Getting leads is one of the primary objectives of any residential HVAC business. Successful HVAC contractors use on-site replacement opportunity assessment forms to systematically identify and record work scope and transaction requirements. These replacement opportunity assessment forms provide a step-by-step, customer-friendly, and logical process for assessing a system's replacement, additional system fixes, and potential enhancement opportunities. These forms incorporate the customer's personal and system replacement needs. These on-site replacement opportunity assessment forms are proven to generate 65% or more in system sales add-ons. These forms help prevent missed sales and or worse, in poor customer satisfaction. These forms themselves helps the selling technician or comfort advisor be able to present themselves in a professional manner by logically and efficiently communicating with the customer while surveying the system replacement opportunity. So why do we need this replacement opportunity assessment form? Well, when we asked over 2,000 technicians and comfort advisors across the US and Canada that if we sent you to 10 homes, how many issues would you find needing attention? They responded unanimously that for every 10 homes they visit, these basic opportunities exist with these kinds of frequencies. 8 out of 10 homes need ductwork fixes with revenue opportunities totaling over $9,600. 6 out of 10 homes need whole house air filtration with revenue opportunities totaling $4,500. And 3 out of 10 homes need communicating and programmable stats with revenue opportunities totaling over $1,300. So what this means is that for every 10 homes, there are over 17 quotable add-on sales opportunities totaling up to $15,000. So using these forms and all replacement opportunities to systematically make your customers aware of these service solutions is proven to close on average 3 out of 10 to an add-on replacement sale. As found on page 54 of the A to Z book on residential HVAC business, in most cases, upon the selling technician finding a catastrophic repair or when the comfort advisor first arrives on a replacement call, the system is usually dead. The system can't speak for itself, so you must interview the customer about the patient. Therefore, an opportunity assessment form is needed to enable the selling technician or comfort advisor to learn about the customer, the problems or issues, and other areas in the home that may present opportunities to improve. Our customers commonly desire improved comfort, health, safety, property, and financial situations. Therefore, when a comfort advisor arrives, they transition to these forms by asking the customer, Tom, Susan, do you mind if I ask a few questions about your system related to its operation, air distribution, health and safety? And naturally, they respond with a resounding yes, of course. If the selling technician finds a catastrophic repair, he would immediately proceed to complete the survey forms. So now let's discuss what questions should be included in how to use our home use and livability system survey forms. You open up the home use and livability survey form to the installed right solution survey section and ask the customer the home use requirement questions such as, do you have unique heating and cooling room conditions due to a home office, exercise room, or an entertainment center? Do you have unnecessary heating and cooling of closed off rooms during the unoccupied periods? Then you ask comfort requirement questions such as, do specific rooms have odor or stale air problems? Do you have specific rooms that are too hot or too cold, or too dry or too muggy? Does the air blow too hard or not enough in specific rooms? Does your system operate too noisy? Then you ask health and safety requirement questions such as, do you have indoor air quality respiratory requirements? Do you have any child safety concerns playing around in and around your air conditioning and heating equipment? Then you ask property requirement questions such as, do you plan on moving in less than or more than 5 years? Are you planning home renovations or add-ons to your home? Then you ask financial requirement questions such as, is your equipment past the point of its useful life in order to repair? Is saving money on energy and operating costs important to you? Is not having repair bills for 10 years important to you? Is working with a contractor that can protect the owner, you, from risk and liability important to you? Do you wish to explore financing options? Then you open up the Home Use and Livability Survey section entitled System Condition Survey to conduct a visual inspection of the customer's existing system installation to identify answers regarding room air distribution, like, is the thermostat working correctly? Are the supply and exhaust grills obstructed? Then visually inspect the air filtration to answer, is the filter dirty or missing? Are they using the manufacturer's recommended type and quality? Is the present change frequency to industry best practice? Then visually inspect the HVAC controls to answer, are the controls operating correctly? Is the control sequence appropriate for occupant use requirements? Then visually inspect the air handler's drain and lines to answer, is there slime or standing water is present? Are the drain lines obstructed? Then visually inspect the equipment installation to answer, is the equipment level and plumb? Is the supply and return securely attached? Is the ductwork sized, installed, and sealed per design and code? Does the ductwork have balancing dampers and grills? Is the ductwork insulated per design code? Is the gas supply sized and installed per code? Is the electrical and thermostat sized and installed per code? Is the combustion stack or vent sized and installed per code? Then visually inspect the ductwork installation, asking yourself, using the capacity sizing tables that's provided in these forms, is the supply and return ductwork large enough to handle the needed CFM capacity? Then you open up the Home Use and Livability Survey Inside Equipment Survey to identify and record existing system data, such as recording the equipment make, model, and serial number, and recording the existing system measurements for ductwork transition and utility connections, and recording system accessory and or add-ons. Then you conduct a visual inspection of the outside equipment survey to identify and record the existing system data, such as record the equipment make, model, and serial number, and record the existing system disconnect condition, and record the breaker size, and record the line set size. Now, in our next episode, number 9, differentiate your services from the competition. Branding is a marketing practice in which a company creates a name, a symbol, or design easily identifiable as belonging to the company. Branding helps customers to identify a product and differentiate your services from the competitors. A brand represents the service delivery promise that you make to your customers. We will discuss the branding process on how we are able to provide our clients with proven brands for their residential and commercial HVAC services, such as our Fix Right HVAC or plumbing or electrical repair guide, the Home Comfort Certified System, which is a residential system replacement, and it helps position you that you replace per best practice promise, and the Protect program, the residential service agreement program, that positions to protect against unnecessary failures, wasted energy, as well as to extend their HVAC equipment's useful life. And on the commercial side, the Mechanical Safeguard program, which is a commercial, industrial, institutional service agreement positioned to protect against unnecessary failures, wasted energy, as well as to extend the HVAC equipment's useful life. And the Guardian Design Build program, which is commercial. Even if you're a residential contractor working with general contractors. Design build projects, or just projects, positioned to guard the customer's desire for on budget, on time, and meeting specifications. Hey, it's your future. Act today. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click and subscribe to the HVAC Pro podcast, or click the link to go ahead and purchase the A to Z book on residential HVAC business. And again, we thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to having you in our next episode.